Water really is the essence of life. Tastes good, makes you feel good. Water's in a lot of good things. Like whiskey. I think there's some water in there. And it's in the most Canadian of cocktails, the Caesar. I think there's some water in the tomato. And there's definitely some water in the vodka. But then there's also the clam juice. And I'm like 100% sure there's water in there. Clams, they're in the they come out of the water. So, I've always wondered how clam juice is made. So we're gonna figure that out today. So, the other thing is that I also believe personally that if you can take the water out of something, it might be better for you, because the water was in it, and water's good, and then that water is in you, making you good. So anyways, we're gonna start with some clams, and you can use this for making your own Caesar, or if you don't drink alcohol, you can make a clam and Coke or something like that. Anyway, so we're starting with these here clams. These are from the oceans. I'm not sure which ocean or oceans. Might be multiple. But anyway, since these are from the ocean, we have to use this blue can opener to get it open, because the oceans are blue. At least last I was told. Oh, okay. So it's packed in this stuff, so you gotta get rid of it. Looking for clam juice, not can juice. So just make sure if you drop some, you pick them back up and you put them in there. It's no big deal. So gonna head over to the juicer. This is look at a good shot of that. That's that there. This here is a masticating juicer. It's a masticating juicer, and so you need this kind to make cold pressed clam juice, and that's the kind of clam juice that you want for your Caesar. If you use any other kind, you're going to overheat your clams, and you're going to lose some of those volatile organic compounds, and it's just going to be an inferior product. So we don't do that here. So this is what we're using. So first things first is we need to turn on the circuit breaker. So we go downstairs. Okay. Alright, looks like they're all on, so just make sure it's on. Okay, so once you've got circuit breaker on, I'll make sure that you plug this in to the plug. There you go. Plug into the plug, and then you switch it on. Okay, and then you put them in. Oh. just have to push them through. And you can see it's separating the juice from not the juice. So I think that's about it. There's your clam juice. That's cold pressed clam juice. And I'm going to go ahead and try that. Oh, no. Oh.